Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly export a Notion page as a website. Let's get started. We'll be using a platform called Tiny.host, which is the fastest and simplest way to host a website online. As we all know, Notion is not just a note-taking app. It's a powerful tool that can create interactive and visually appealing websites. Here's how you can get started. Before you start from scratch, it's a good idea to explore the Notion templates library, which we've linked in the description. You can think of this similar to an app store where you can browse free and premium templates that have been created by the company or just other users. Find a plethora of templates that are suitable for all kinds of reasons, including blogs, portfolios, and much more. You can even interact with these templates before you download them through the View Template feature. Once you've finally found a template that you like, simply click Start with this template and it'll clone to your Notion workspace. This will give you a solid foundation to start with. You can now personalize your template by adding your own content, images, and links. Editing in Notion revolves around versatile blocks that can include anything from text to images or more. Notion's standout features include drag and drop, database management, rich text, and media embeds. You can personalize it with custom images, icons, and even integrations like Google Drive and Figma. You can even add subpages to help your visitors navigate your website. Remember that the beauty of Notion lies in its flexibility, so don't hesitate to try around, experiment, and find something that works for you. Once you've got your template ready, ensure you're on the main page of the template. You'll then need to export it by clicking the three buttons on the top right. Next, click the export button, but make sure you follow these instructions. You'll want to ensure your export format is HTML, include subpages, and hit export. You'll instantly get a zip file downloaded to your device. And now, let's move to the next step. Once exported, you'll need to visit Tiny.host, where you can upload and host your Notion website in just seconds. Just simply drag and drop your zip file into the designated location. After publishing, you'll receive a question about which page should be your homepage. Always choose the one without forward slashes, as this is your root URL. And voila, your Notion page is now live and hosted as a website. But that's not all, because what makes Tiny.host so great is your ability to customize the website. For instance, you can now set up a QR code to easily share your website. There's also loads of other cool features such as password protection, powerful analytics, and custom URLs. Personally, I use these tools to guard my content and track the amount of visitors it receives. From QR codes to password protection and analytics, you have all the tools needed to make your Notion webpage truly shine with Tiny.host. That is it for today's tutorial, everyone. I hope you found the video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. Let us know what you want to hear about next. See you in the next video.